Hello and welcome to a Hayley Louise Crafts crochet tutorial. Today I will be showing you how I prefer to change my colours when I make my toys, but it can also be used if doing colour work in larger projects as well. I'll be doing this using single crochets, however it can be applied to changing with other stitches as well, and I'll give a quick example of this at the end. To colour change cleanly is quite simple. Taking your starting colour, here I'm using purple, insert your hook into the next stitch and yarn over, pulling through the stitch as you would normally in a single crochet. However, instead of yarning over with the same colour to complete the stitch, we're going to instead grab the next colour and yarn over with that and complete the stitch with the new colour. Now continue crocheting with the new colour. What this method achieves is it makes the top of the stitch match the colour underneath. See here? After you've done a few stitches, you can go back and knot off the colour change inside the work to tighten the stitches before we get back to it for the next round. If we were to apply this to double crochet, you only change colour during the last part of the stitch. So, with your original colour, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over again, pull through 2 stitches. Now, grab your new colour, yarn over and complete the stitch. Continue along with a new colour. Once again, you can see the whole stitch is the same colour with this method. I think this is the best way to change colours in pretty much any project. It just makes it more clean and consistent. I will note though that when working in the round, you will still see a step in the colour if the piece is worked in a spiral. That's just going to happen when we're toy making, and is why it's always important to centre your colour changes to the back of the work when possible. I hope this helped and happy crocheting!